Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file corporation tax. Filing corporation tax can seem complex, but breaking it down into simple steps makes it manageable. We'll cover the essential forms, key deadlines, and important deductions to help you navigate the process smoothly. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what's required to keep your business compliant and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started on simplifying your tax season. Knowing which forms to use and when to file is crucial for corporation tax. C corporations typically file Form 1120, while S corporations use Form 1120S. These forms report your income, deductions, gains, and losses. Remember, the filing deadline is usually the 15th day of the fourth month following the close of your tax year. For calendar year filers, this means April 15th. Missing these dates can lead to penalties, so mark your calendar. Maximizing your deductions and credits is a smart way to lower your corporation's tax liability. You can deduct all ordinary and necessary business expenses, such as employee salaries, office rent, and advertising. Don't forget about depreciation for assets like equipment. Additionally, investigate various tax credits, which directly reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. Examples include credits for research and development or certain energy-efficient investments. These can significantly impact your bottom line. To avoid penalties, meticulous record-keeping is essential. Maintain all financial documents for at least 3 years. If your corporation anticipates owing $500 or more in tax, you'll likely need to make estimated tax payments throughout the year. Finally, consider consulting a tax professional for complex situations or to ensure full compliance. They can offer tailored advice and help you navigate specific challenges. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.